The final component of our course are the two exams. We have a midterm and a final exam. The midterm will be held during week 3, which also includes the 4th of July. So for that reason, we'll start after the 4th of July on July 5th. It'll open on July 5th at 12 noon, and it will close on Sunday, July 7th, and it will be due Sunday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. The midterm covers weeks 1 through 3, and there is a study guide available now. It's posted under modules. Why don't you use the study guide to help you guide your readings for weeks 1 through 3? The midterm is around between 40 to 50 questions, all multiple choice, or there's a couple true-false questions, I think. And once you begin, anytime in this given time period, you will have 60 minutes to complete the exam, and you will be required to complete it all in one sitting. The final exam is similar, but it is held during our last week of class, which is a short week. So it will start earlier in the week. It'll open on Tuesday, July 23rd at 12 noon, and it will close on Thursday, July 25th at 11:59 p.m., and that is our last day of class. The final covers only weeks 4 through 6, and there will be a study guide for the final, which will be available during week 4. You will have, again, 60 minutes to take your exam. So once you begin, you will have the 60 minutes, and you'll be required to complete it all in one sitting. There are no makeups on either exam, so please plan your schedule accordingly. If you feel you're going to have a problem with this schedule, I'm going to need to hear from you in the first few days of our class, so by June 20th. So there are study guides for both, and these should help you guide your reading. So I just answered the final quiz question, which was how many questions are on the exam. It'll be between 40 and 50 questions for each exam. Although you are done now with the quiz, I do recommend that you listen to the remainder of the videos and watch them, because the lectures will help you in this course. All right, I'm looking forward to working with you this semester, and please don't hesitate to email me with any questions you may have. You can find my email on the syllabus. Okay,